All right, guys, we're back in the kitchen. Another great gadget that we've picked up. I think we got it at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, one of those type of stores. Well under 10 bucks. What this is actually just a brush that's suction cupped, as you can tell. Look at that. Kind of, it takes a while to pick it up. Like, that's I cannot get that one up. You can see how strong that really was. What this is for is whether you've got baby bottles or you got wine glasses like we've got, or you got anything that has something that any glasses if you hand wash, but who really does that these days? But no, we do like to hand wash our wine glasses. Obviously, you'd probably be doing the same with baby bottles and stuff like that. It's really goofy. It's not like it's anything that you guys probably may never have seen, but I just never thought about buying it. But I'll kind of show it quickly in action. I'll just put a little bit of Dawn on it, just sprinkle a little bit on there. I just kind of splash it, get it a little wet. Obviously, we've got our wine glass here. I just kind of get it wet, and just kind of do that. Yes, don't make fun of the action, but I was a kid once too. I would have made fun of it too. But no, so I always just kind of do this. You can see it's starting to set up a little bit. It takes a quick second. Obviously, I always get the lip part. I don't think a whole glass always needs to be washed. But you can see, now this one doesn't work real good for our cab glasses. You can see it definitely pushes it on there. But I'm just so close to the down here that it kind of scares me that I'm going to chip it or break it. So sometimes you just kind of swirl it around. A lot of times, I'll just take it off and then you can actually see it in action there. You can see it pressing up. It's cleaning everything. It's getting down here at the bottom. Look at that. Perfect. Clean enough for me. Just kind of slow it down there. I always keep it off in the corner. Just kind of come over here, clean it up, dry it down. Now here's my plug for my next video. If you want to watch how I dry them, if you're big into wine glasses, you gotta watch this next contraption, and I'll upload that video next. But you know me, I gotta have another video out there, so that'll be the next one. So check that one out. It'll be right after this one. All right, so there's my nice little clean glass. You can see what it does. Super, super simple. Love this thing. Obviously, you can use it for any type of glass. You can pick it up real easy. Suction cupped. What else? Other than that, shoot. Super, super awesome gift out there. Go TJ Maxx, get you one well under 10 bucks, probably more like 5, 6. But hope you guys like that one. Please stick around, watch all my other videos. Come to my new ones. I get a video a day out there for everybody out there to get me some YouTube content so I can show you guys if this is worthy and if you can actually start making money. We have not made any money over 3 months into this thing yet. Obviously, I'm not very popular. But the whole point is, you need 12 months of this stuff. So I'm pumping them out there, getting that content out there to get those watch times up and to hopefully get some subscribers and hopefully get you guys around to want to stick around to see what I do next. But as always, please feel free to comment, like, subscribe to us. And I hope you guys like this one. It's a goofy video, but a good one. So I hope you guys liked it. Can't wait to see you in the next one. See you guys.